This time we're supposed to calculate the total resistance of 7 6.2 kilo ohm resistors in series. Let me remind you one more time. The formula for total resistance, the resistors in the series circuit says, in this case, R total is equal R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5 plus R6 plus R7. This is the formula for total resistance in this circuit. But the problem says that all these resistance values are the same. That's why I'm going to simply write R total is equal 7 times 6.2 kilo ohms. Instead of entering into the formula 6.2 kilo ohms so many times, I'm going to simply multiply 7 times 6.2 kilo ohms and I'm going to get my R total. R total in this case is going to be equal 43.4 kilo ohms. This is the solution to my problem.